What is up? What is up? What is up? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm happy to see you guys again. Happy for you guys to be back. Anyways, we're gonna get right into it today. We're gonna go to the junkyard. Why are we going to the junkyard? Because I just felt like going to the junkyard today. I want to bring you guys along. I made a video about a year ago or so, going to the junkyard for a particular car I had, and also kind of vlogging other cars there. And I've been having the itch to want to go again, and I wanted to bring you guys again and kind of see what's there. It is a little hot today. It's gonna be a little humid, so you guys might see me a little sweaty today or what have you. But you know, the costs of vlogging, I guess they say, right? But yeah, let's go to the junkyard. It's about 20-25 minutes out from where I'm at right now, and let's see what kind of gems they have there. You guys, we are now officially inside. I had to pay up, obviously. I think it's a $5 entry, so I paid up. Now where do we start? We may actually check out some cars that are here that I have, actually, a Mazda Protege. Actually, I see one right over there. But yeah, let's just find what we can find, guys. I mean, obviously some of you guys are watching this may see something that catches your eye, but to me it doesn't. But I don't know, it's just something about junkyards where all these cars was once maintained and sustained by a human being, and they're no longer on the roads. Look at these engines, man. Just look at this. It's crazy, man. I brought my nice shoes too, guys. I should have done that. It's all muddy and watery. But yeah, so what we're gonna do now is I'm just gonna walk around, see what vehicles kind of catch my eye, and just vlog it. So let's do it. What is this? Acura TL or Acura CL? Let's see in the back. A friend of mine actually had one of these. Acura CL, yep. CL. It's not a Type S version. The Type S manuals. If we can find one of these bad boys, an Acura CL with a manual, or Acura CL Type S with a manual, those things are super rare. Oh, I think I might see some. Is this an Impala? Yeah, I don't know much about these Impalas, but I do know the cool one. I think this is an Impala, right, guys? I don't know, actually. I feel stupid now. I don't know if it's like an Impala or like a Firebird, or I don't know anything about these cars. But comment below, let me know what you guys, what car is this? Is this an Impala or is this one of those? I don't know, actually. Well, I know the Impala SS's from like the 90s are super cool. I don't know, the silhouette of this thing looked like an Impala, right? Or am I bugging? Let me see if I can find something that says Impala on it, because now I feel dumb. Dang, this thing is rough. Does it say Impala over here? Yeah, I don't know what the hell this is, guys. Comment below, let me know. What the, oh, they took the quarter on this thing too. They were not playing. They were not playing, huh? Yeah, comment below, let me know. Oh, look at that. These Fords, man. These Fords from the 90s, I find so cool. I find these Fords from the 90s to be so cool, man. This is what do you call it? Single cab? What do you call these? I know the 4-door ones are called the crew cabs. I think this is called a single cab with the 2-door, right? I don't know much about trucks, but you guys let me know. Y'all find this Ford to be cool? Oh, still, is this the factory OEM decal? Nah, I don't know. I think it's aftermarket. That'd be cool if that was the original one. Oh yeah, that no, they don't make them like this no more. The way you open it and that clicking, hear that click? Oh yeah, they don't make them like that no more. Look at the blue guts. Woo! Man, this thing new must have been so cool. Look at that. What do you young bucks know about this? I don't know nothing about that. The roll-up windows, huh? I should go on this road for you truck guys. I know some of you truck guys are out there. We got a early 2000s Tundra. Cool. We got some Chevys, right? 1500s. GMC. Oh no. Oh, look at this. This is a Ford with a long bed on there. This thing's long. Not sure if it picks up on camera, but oh my gosh, I brought the wrong shoes, guys. Oh man. But yeah, that's a long bed right there. Super long. I don't know nothing about these motors too, guys. This says it's a Triton V8 XL. Man, this thing is big. How's it looking there? I like these vans, man. These vans are cool. Dang, look at this. This is a church van. Church of the Living God. Look at that. This thing, dang, this has 1, 2, 3, 4. This thing has like 4 rows of seating. It's crazy. You could fit like a decent amount of people in this thing. I would love to have this for the kids, man. That'd be dope. Caution church van. Another one of these vans. This was looked like it used to be a work van of some sort. Look at that. Oh yeah, the early 2000s Escalade. Man, I love these Escalades from the early 2000s. One day I might own one. A clean white, like a white one. A clean example too. I love these Escalades from the early 2000s. I find them to be too cool. Oh, look at that. They got the integrated monitors in there. Look at that, huh? Is this aftermarket or is this factory, guys? Let me know. I don't know. All I know is I was a kid when these came out, so I don't really know. Oh look, the other one has it too. That's dope. I know they had a dub edition of one of these, and they had a PlayStation, I believe, integrated. They had it up here. It's pretty dope. Oh my gosh, this looks like blood. But this is transmission fluid for sure. Smell it. Damn. Oh, look at that. We got one of them old Porsches or Porsche. Y'all let me know how y'all pronounce it. Porsche or Porsche? I got one of them old ones here. Look at that. He took the badge off this thing. That's probably worth some money. And look at the guts. Got the peanut butter guts with the wood grain on the steering wheel. Nice. Ew. Look at that headliner. Seen better days. But this interior is nice. Brand new. This must have been popping. With what color paint is this? Like champagne? I don't know. It's nice. I like the interior. Oh, that cluster looks nice too. Damn, people took the emblems in here. They took the ones outside. Let's see if they took the back ones too. Oh, nope, doesn't have one. It just has the Porsche Cayenne Turbo. Oh, it was a turbo? Excuse me. Okay. Let me see if I can open the hood. See if there's any turbos left in here. All right, let's try to open this. Ooh, here we go. Y'all see any turbos? Damn, look like, I don't know if they took it, but that's the headers. Where would the turbos be, in the back? I don't know. But it looks like the engine's still here. Wonder what happened to this car. Maybe the turbos are down there. Y'all let me know, man. I don't know. These headlights, seen better days. Wow, look at that. Cayenne Turbo S, huh? Or Turbo S. Cayenne Turbo. Sorry. Well, this caught my eye. What's this? It's a Toyota. Huh. This is must have been a Toyota Previa, right? Before the Toyota Previa. Oh my gosh, look at this. What the hell is that? Oh my goodness. Can that pop up on camera? Y'all see that? Let me focus. Did it focus it? I don't know if y'all see that, but there's like a bunch of, I don't even know what. This has to be a hazmat issue here. Looks like spider webs, but it could be like mold or mildew. I don't know what the heck that is. I don't know if it shows on camera. Let me try to get closer to it. Y'all see that? Oh my goodness. What is this, guys? Let me know. It's a Toyota of some sort. Looks like a 80s Toyota. Uh-oh, look at this, guys. We had to get you some Mopar, guys. Check this out. It's an orange Dodge Challenger. I don't know. Let me see. It doesn't open. I don't know what they call the two-door ones. Nice. Let's check out the interior. Nice. Okay guys, look at this. We got Crown Victoria. This looks like one of the early models of the Crown Victoria from the 90s. I know this, people love these Crown Victorias from the 90s up to the early 2000s. I know they love them. This looked like it was a cool spec when it first came out. It's like a nice blue to it with some pinstriping. Let's check out the interior. Ooh. Smells good in here too. Check that out. The blue guts. This thing is clean too. Look at this door card. It's so clean. Yeah, Ford, you know, back in the days, I'm starting to notice a trend here with Ford. Ford had some cool interiors back in the days. I don't know if they're still doing that with these new cars, but boy, they had the red guts, they had the blue guts. They might have had yellow, purple, pink, who knows, but I'm starting to see a trend with Ford back in the 90s, man. What happened? Let me know. Do they still make cool interiors for Fords with the new models? And also, what am I looking at here, guys? This is a V8, a V6? Nah, this is a V8, right? Let me know what I'm looking at. And this is the Crown Victoria everyone knows and loves, especially with cops too. A lot of cops back in the days had these things. Apparently these were bulletproof. Oh, something else caught my eye. What's this? It says Festiva? What does that say? Festiva? Oh, there we go. It's a Ford Festiva. This thing is small, man. Shoot, I thought my car was small. Oh, it's a stick shift too. Stick, look at that. This thing is a little pocket rocket, huh? From the front end, it looks like it's screaming 80s to me. It's screaming 80s, maybe late 80s. Let me know. Look at this little engine. Oh my gosh, this thing is small as hell. I thought I had a little small 2 liter, but wait, this thing is puny. Oh my gosh, y'all see this? Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Oh my, this thing is a little puny little thing, man. It's cute. This thing is cute. What the heck? Oh my gosh, so many cars, so much more walking to do. I'm gonna find a couple more and I'm gonna skedaddle. I just chugged some water. Oh my gosh, look at me, I look disgusting. Oh, oh God. That's the thing about, oh my God, man. Oh my gosh, guys. All right, that's gonna conclude this video. Thank you guys for watching. Again, please comment below, give me some feedback. Let me know if you guys want to see some more of this. If you guys do, best believe I'm gonna come back out here and get the content. But oh my gosh, man, it's so humid out here. Woo! Nonetheless, that's gonna call it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Leave me some feedback, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.